Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the US30 scalp session. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. What's going on, James? All right, so you already know we're looking for sales. Good morning, Paris. You already know we're looking for sales. So I'm gonna mark this up. As you guys see again, we have an RSI down here, shows us below the 50 mark. Okay, so obviously we're trading below. Obviously it jumped up here. This is this candle here, jumped up here, then fell back down. Okay, so obviously what we're doing is waiting for this thing to pull back up. We're almost there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this here. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of these as well, because obviously we know we're taking a sell. Okay, and let me kind of mark up as far as where we're kind of looking at. Okay. This is where I'm looking at right here. We actually just tapped there just now. We just tapped there just now. So I'm going to wait for her to pull back up. And that's where I'm going to be looking to get in. Okay. So this is my money line right here. So this is where I'm at. This is where I'm looking at her for her to pull. Okay. So obviously, as you can see, okay, as you can see what's happened, she's come here. She broke this, played on this line here, came down here, boom, broke up, boom, broke completely up. Then she broke this right here. Okay, obviously now what we're doing is waiting for that retest. She broke this major level right here. This major level right here. We're now waiting for that retest. That's all that we're doing. So we're going to wait for this retest. Okay. And this is actually where I'm looking at right here. Okay. She may not come all the way back up to our money line, but if she comes up into this area, I want her to obviously pull as much as she can. We're there now. I want her to pull up a little bit more. Pull up a little bit more for me. Pull up a little bit more. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. And I'm going to be taking profit on some of these right now. And again, she did pull up all the way back up to our money line. She pulled all the way back up to our money line. We got a minute 19 left on this candle. We got a minute 19 left on this candle. We're going to see what happens in this last minute. We're going to see if we can get this drop in this last minute. Here we go. Here we go. Big drop US30. Let's go. There we go. Big drop. Here we go. We got 36 seconds left on this candle. 36 seconds left on this candle. $22 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop. There we go. Big drop. Here we go. There we go. Let's go. Get down here. Get down here. Let's go. Big drop. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Big drop. There we go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Big drop. Big drop. Come on. Come down here. Get down here right now. Get down here. Get down here. Let's go. Get down here. There we go. That's the drop we wanted. Boom. Closed 1. Closed 2. 3. 4. 5. Boom. Let's go. So that was 5 trades, 6,039 in profit. That's it, guys. That's how we roll. Let's go. Any questions on that? Any questions on that at all? Any questions on how I set that up? Let's go. Honestly, I didn't even set any stop losses. I set no take profits. I literally just let her run. And that's what she did. Let's go. That's it. I'm telling you, if you're still in that trade, you're in huge profit right now. You're in huge profit right now. That's it. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's it, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overcomplicate it at all. Don't overcomplicate it. What did she break? What was the last major level she broke? Let her retest back up there, which she did, and then she literally fell. And again, we had the momentum of this big wick. We had the momentum of this big wick. She came down into this wick here. Okay, the buyers came in. But again, like, look how much the sellers were in. Look how much strength the sellers had, okay? The sellers had so much volume and so much strength, okay? You're welcome, Paris. But that's as simple as it gets, guys. Honestly, like, we literally saw where she came. She respected here. We set our money line. We set our money line, okay? And then we saw, like, here's the deal. If she comes in between this area, we're going to take it. She came up here. She actually came all the way up to our money line. She came all the way up to our money line. And guess what? She hit the ceiling. She came to the money line, hit the ceiling, and she fell. Honestly, I don't play that strategy. I honestly, I just take 5 trades. That's it. So again, like, I literally just set her up, and then again, like, you could take, you know, again, like, the biggest thing is just, she's gonna pull back up. Like, you know, I mean, you could, you know, if you look at this candle here, you have a minute left on this candle. You could say that she pulls back up to this right here. So kind of. Let's change this here. So I was just getting in right now. This would be my new money line. This would be my new money line, and I would literally just wait for her to pull. I would literally just wait for her to pull back up here, and that would be my new money line. Because her pulling all the way back up here is probably very slim right now. But can we catch a quick bag right here? Sure. You know, honestly, like last week, we tried to trap her, looking at like the 15. Looking at the 15. Like, look, she just blew through this area here. Let's go out to the half hour. Like she's literally. So this is kind of where you're at on the half hour. I mean, this is kind of where you're at on the hour. She's hitting these zones over here. This is kind of where she's hitting right now. She's hitting these zones. Okay. Like, again, here's the deal. If she breaks, like, gosh, like, honestly, if we would have held on to that trade, we would be in major profit. But again, I don't trade that way. So again, I don't fear of missing out. I don't trade that way. I simply just get in and get out. And like I said, you know, got in and got out this morning with a $6,000 bag. So again, like I don't fear of missing out, you know, even if she drops. But again, she could possibly come down to where this wick is. And if she comes to this wick here, she's probably going to continue to fall down into this area here, because there's really nothing in front of her stopping her. You know what I mean? So like, what I would do. Yeah, I mean, that right there is about. Yeah, she could potentially come down to the 33,300 for sure. And that's about a 100-point drop. So again, if you were able to catch a nice entry, you could obviously, you know, just move your stop loss. You know, you could definitely go for a ride down. But again, like I said, it's not, I don't do, like, I'm done for the day. Like, I literally get off the charts. I'm done for the day. I don't look at them ever again. So again, like, to have anything open, to move stop losses, like, it's not my strategy. It's not what I do. So again, you know, you could definitely set up an intraday. You could definitely set up, you know, something here and then just watch it. But again, I don't like the fact that, again, she could come all the way back up. She could come all the way back up into this area, hit this, like, she could come back up in this area and kind of bounce off of this area here if you're not careful. You know what I mean? So again, like, she could pull back, just like she did right here. Look, right here, right here, right here. See right here? Boom, 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 boom. She came back. Okay. So again, like, she could possibly pull back up here, just based off of this ceiling here. Okay. So again, like, you know, great session. Great session. Great simple session. In and out. In and out. It took us just a couple minutes. But again, that's how I trade, is I literally just, you know, we literally just looked at the 5 minute. We looked at kind of where she was at. We knew she was obviously falling. We knew we just needed to find, you know, where was she going to pull back to? Where could she potentially pull back to? Where was her last break of structure? Boom, break of structure was here. Retested the break of structure. Boom. We catch it back. And again, we're not looking for big moves. She just happened to run on us. I would have been good with the 10 point, 5 point. Like, you know, again, she just happened to run. And, you know, when I went to go close, you know, my trades were 1,300, 1,400, 1,600, 1,200. So again, like, I was just closing at that point. Like I wasn't looking for a certain amount at that point. I was already in huge profit, so I was just closing them out at that point. So, but awesome, cool. We were on the session for 15 minutes, guys. You know, I know that Sam is setting up, kind of a basic training, kind of a Q&A. But obviously we didn't trade yesterday because it was the bank holiday, President's Day. And we came on this morning and we got a bag. So that's how we roll. So again, I hope that you guys have an amazing day. I hope that you guys definitely have an amazing week. We will definitely be on tomorrow, same time, and get the bag. We don't expect to do anything other than get the bag. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys jumping on. Definitely, make sure you're sharing the feed. Anything that I can do to help, reach out. But yeah, great job. Great session, in and out with the bag. That's how we do it. Awesome, guys. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day, okay? Take care.